Here is your Recon kit walkthrough. So the bag itself is made of a high quality nylon Cordura. So it's super rugged, very durable, able to withstand throwing it in your vehicle, in your locker, whatever. This thing will take a lot of abuse and keep going. So let's talk about some of the outside features and we'll work our way in. Cool thing about this bag is it does have some very handy outside pockets. So you've got the top pocket here, the bottom pocket here, and these both open completely clamshell like that. So they open all the way up. They're very easy to get to, and I'm gonna show you all the contents that's in all this stuff here in a minute. I wanna show you how these open. Every zipper on here is a dual zipper. Anti-snag zippers, and they do come all the way down, so it does flop completely open, making everything super accessible and easy to get to. You'll notice the front panel, both on the top and bottom pouch, run the MOLLE slots along with the Hypalon outer coating, so this is super durable stuff as well as it making it a little bit water resistant. We've got an extra pouch back here that you can use for all kinds of stuff, but how it comes from us is you will get the shoulder strap option to carry this as well. But another handy pocket right there. Up top, you'll see the nylon loop. So you can either carry that as a grab handle or you can hang it and it'll support its own weight very easily. You've got the ventilated back panel here. Very comfortable to wear, as well as the very highly padded shoulder straps, keeping your arms and shoulders comfortable if you're carrying it backpack style. If you don't want to use this backpack style and just kind of carry it either with the shoulder strap or with the grab handle, you can unbuckle the shoulder straps at the bottom and stow these in this back compartment here. It's got a little snap up top. Tuck those in and those will fold away, leaving it just the back panel. A little easier to transport. If you're putting it in a smaller area in your vehicle or something, that's super handy. So again, you've got the MOLLE slots up front, MOLLE panels on each side, very easy to carry. Let's go ahead and get into what it looks like on the inside, and we'll walk through everything that this kit comes with after that. So, folds all the way open, easy wayfinding in here. Everything's got its own place or pouch. Very easy to get to, grab stuff super easily. Let's go ahead and see exactly what this kit contains. Okay, so this is a lot of stuff in a small bag. Awesome kit. You get a sprain and fracture mod, 2 chest seals, child and adult size MPA, 2 burn mods, a chem light, 550 cord, roll of tape, 3 space blankets, 2 blister mods, compressed gauze, 2 gauze mods, so all kinds of shapes and sizes of gauze, 3 super skin bandage packets, so all shapes and sizes of our super skin bandages, a 4-inch emergency pressure bandage, 2 clean and prep mods, 2 super washes, 2 treatment and relief mods, 2 zips 2-packs, 2 CPR shields, quick clot bleeding control dressing, 2 instant cold packs, 2 medication mods, so that's your typical over-the-counter meds like headache, stomach ache, that kind of thing, Transcend glucose gel, 3 hydration mods, 3 sets of nitrile gloves, 2 mini wound closure kits, and a tool mod. So there you have it for the Recon. Keep in mind, if you want individual training for the specific products, just scan the QR code and you'll find those there. For the specific items in each mod that I was just talking about, make sure to check those out online. You can see everything in each mod as well. Check that out.